Pash Fam, it's Joni, and today I'm going to be showing you how to insert our free PDFs into your planner. These PDFs are 100% free and are always available on our website, passionplanner.com. We really want these PDFs to be a great resource and tool for you to be able to customize and personalize your planner in the way that you want. Let's get started. Our free PDFs are available in three main categories: full planner PDFs, worksheets, and inserts. You can download our entire planners for free on the full PDFs page. Our complete daily, weekly, academic, and undated PDFs are available for download, as well as undated versions of French, Italian, and Spanish. Our free worksheets are great tools to use if you're looking for meaningful reflection prompts, check-ins, and more. These worksheets address different aspects of mental health and encourage you to take planning one step further. Finally, our free inserts are the best tool to customize your planner and really make it your own. There are a lot of trackers to choose from, and these are perfect supplementary tools to keep tabs on your wellness goals and tasks. To download a PDF, go to passionplanner.com and hover over the free downloads tab. Here you'll see all of our different options. Select the category you'd like and then select your PDF. Most of our PDFs have small, medium, and large options to fit into your planner size. Choose the Sunday or Monday start if applicable, or the version of the PDF you want. Enter your email address and click download. Then find your email with your free download. It might take a couple minutes to show up in your mailbox. From here, you can download the PDF onto your desktop or simply print it right from the email. Once you've printed your PDF, it's ready to be cut and used. There are a couple of ways you can add these PDFs depending on the tools you have at home or how you'd like to view the insert. A Dutch door is a great option if you don't want to cover anything up in your planner but want to keep a tracker or worksheet within the same week. Using washi tape or scotch tape, place the PDF in the spine of your planner and tape it in place. You can also tape the other side for extra security. Double-sided tape or glue is another way to insert a PDF. Simply attach the tape on the back side of the PDF and place it into your desired spot. This is a great method for placing your PDF in the space of infinite possibility or to-do list section. You can also use washi tape or scotch tape. Use the tape around the edges of your PDF to securely attach it to the page. Now you're ready to use our free PDFs in your planner as much as you'd like. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, and leave a comment down below letting us know what PDFs you'd like to see from us next. Don't forget to also subscribe to Passion Planner's YouTube channel for more planner tips and content like this one. See you next time!